Pastor Tony is known for his holy work back home in Kenya. He has been working with the church for years. Never could he imagine that he would be suffering from a pain which would restrict his ability to walk and would cause numbness in his legs. So when he first presented to us in 2017, he was suffering from these problems and he was finding it difficulty to walk even a few meters. That's when we diagnosed that he has a severe lumbar canal stenosis with instability at L5-S1 level after conducting MRI examinations on him.
I came in an ambulance. I was in a lot of pain. I was actually accompanied by a nurse from AMREF, Africa Air Rescue. And first of all, I want to say that I was handled very, very well by BLK, all the way from the airport to the hospital. And they were very professional. And so I went to theater, and that's when I met Dr. Pny, who did the surgery.
He was excited to know that the entire spinal decompression and stabilization procedure would be performed through keyholes on his back, and he would be able to walk the next day. We did exactly what we promised and took him up for his minimal invasive spinal surgery, and he could walk the day after without any pain.
Right now, I am in no pain. I just came for a review, and I'm glad that I got the report about the 2 other discs. But I'm in no pain, just a bit of numbness at the bottom of my foot. And Dr. Pny has prescribed a barrage of drugs, and I'm sure they will help for healing the nerve. But I'm in no pain. I'm able to drive for long distances. I walk, I exercise, and I'm good to go.
5 years down the line, he makes a visit back again to India to see us, and he is hale and hearty, healthy, and has been traveling on his feet all over the country. We wish Mr. Tony the best in his life and continuing holy work that he has been doing and helping many, many souls on this planet. Thank you.